good, everyone? It's MJO23Dan back with another video. Today's video, I got something special. Now, a follower of mine had reached out and wanted to know my initial thoughts on a sneaker that I did not get. Shout out to Ryan King _ Ryan James. So he was able to grab the Guavas and again wanted to know my initial thoughts on it and do a review for you guys. So shout out to him. You guys already know that I had already done a review on the Union Air Jordan 1 Black Toe, which I do own in my collection, which, man, ended up being some money that I had to throw. But this one I was able to get for retail off Union, and you know, everyone knows what these are. So the collection had to be complete. Now with the Jordan 4s, different story. You know, I've gotten into cards now, and sneakers, I don't want to say it's taken a back seat, but my priorities, I guess my interests have kind of shifted a little bit, but I still love sneakers, don't get me wrong. Anyways, shout out to the Grail Company. They are releasing a set of tees, hoodies for you guys to cop. This is called the Didn't Get 'em. So you guys know they did the Got 'em shirt. This one they did the Didn't Get 'em. And then on the bottom of the shirts they always have like these little sayings. And this one says, check your favorite app. So I think it's pretty funny how they have like little Easter eggs in their gear. So anyways, use my promo code MJO23Dan at thegrailco.com. And you guys can save up to 15% on any of the merchandise. They only run their merchandise probably once a month and for a limited time. So it'd be like a Wednesday to a Sunday or like a Friday over the weekend. So, you know, if you like the merchandise, if you like the gear, I do. So, and it helps me out if you guys use my promo code. Check out their gear, buy some stuff. It's cool stuff. Now let's get into these. All right, so I always find it really flattering that somebody wants to offer up their personal pair to send to me without ever having to enjoy it. And I spoke to Ryan and I'm like, yo, do you... these are crazy, man. Shout out to you, man. But I'm like, yo, do you want to have time to like enjoy them? Because I feel like I'm holding on to them and I'm not. But I promised them, I said, I'm going to bang out the review, have it for you guys, and then pretty much ship it the next day. So, you know, I know with me, like, I don't want things to be held over. And I'm really appreciative of Ryan being able to do this here. So let's check this out. Nice tissue paper here of the GOAT. You guys know that overhead shot of Michael Jordan signing autographs and stuff. This is what Chris Gibbs of Union ended up using for the paper here. I definitely like their projects. I did try for the Unions, but I wanted the black pair. So hopefully come sneakers. I know they got pushed back till like October 16th. Hopefully I will be able to get a pair. Now seeing these in hand, like, it's crazy. Wow. So, you know, a lot of people, a lot of OGs don't really like the retro remix of their favorite classics. So, of course, this is the Air Jordan 4. And Chris Gibbs, the owner of Union, ended up doing a remix of the Jordan 4. Now, you guys remember the Jordan 1, he took two different silhouettes, the natural gray and the black toe, Air Jordan 1, and fused them together, and you can see that fusion right there. So he ended up doing the same type of inspiration on the tongue of the Air Jordan 4, whereas story goes, a lot of people, a lot of kids in the 80s flipped down the tongues of the Air Jordan 4s because this, as you saw it on the other side, was upside down when you look down. So flipping the tongue, you can see the Air Jordan there. Now, I didn't know this feature as it was before I tried to cop it on release day, but you can actually remove the stitching, and I'm not going to do that to you, Ryan, trust me. You can remove the stitching from the tongue there and flip it up to have a normal size tongue, you know what I mean? But man, Okay, here's what I like about the Guavas. It's an out there type shoe. You don't really see this combo together all too often, other than, you know, maybe like a South Beach LeBron or something like that. Everything on here is age looking. I don't really like that. Probably why more I went for the black pair, although it does have that, you know, vintage looking aged sole on it. I feel like sneakers need to do this naturally. And so if you wear your sneakers, you get there eventually, it'll yellow, it'll tint like that, and it'll have all the bumps and bruises on the shoe as is. I do love the ballistic mesh that is on the toe of the sneaker as well as on the collar. I think that's different. That's cool. I didn't like the non-cutout of the plastic wing here, and it's on both sides as well, so you can see. I've seen other people on social media, particularly Heskicks. I think he was like one of the first people that I've seen, and also Tomo Michael from Corporate. Shout out to you guys. They were one of the first people that I saw that actually cut out the piece here of the wing to make it look like a normal Jordan 4. They aged the netting of the Air Jordan 4. I do like the backdrop of that, like beneath the netting there. It kind of looks like an air filter to me, supposed to exaggerate breathability. And the suede is like really thick, really nice. Yeah, the stitch work is good too. I think Jordan Brand did a good job on this. Other than like the color palette and all that, the aged look, I'm not a fan of. But everything else is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Let's check out the inside of the shoe here. The laces are a bit that cream color as well, so ties in good with the shoe. Comes with a blue hang tag. Says Union on the on the front, faded on the front, and then yeah, but I guess the back's like that too. All right, let's check out the insole here. So you have a polyurethane type insole where it says Union on the heel with the Jumpman logo. Man, Ryan, really tempting here, size 10. But I'm not going to do that, man. I'm a man of my word. So really nice insole there. As you've seen like in, you know, different types of Air Jordans along the way. Very comfortable insole. I'm not sure why they go between the Ortholite insole and the polyurethane insole. A lot of it has to do with this one, with it being in OG style colorways. This one, I guess, being a big time collab, they wanted to include the polyurethane insole, so that's why that's in there. Nothing on the insole, I mean on the Strobel. It's just you know, your regular fabric style. You got like the off-white vibe right here with the exposed foam on the tongue. The colors are wild, man. What's the official colors on the box here? We got Air Jordan 4 Retro SP Guava Ice. I don't know if it's Light Fusion Red or Lightning Fusion Red, but that's what it is right there. And then, man, 250 bucks. These things are probably going for, you know, close to 1,000 now on StockX. If you guys are interested in purchasing a pair for yourself, I have a special affiliate link down in the description below if you guys want to check it out. I will also have links for the Black Toe Union Jordan 1 and for the Storm Blue as well. So if you guys are interested in any of those pairs, you know, check them out. I'll put the links down in the description. Check out the other shoe just to see if there's any like manufacturing flaws with it at all. Came with a another set of laces in yellow. I guess that's it, just the cream laces and the yellow laces. Now, one concern I think I saw on social media was the rear. So you guys see that the Nike Air is a little off-center, as it was with the black cement Air Jordan 4s from last year. So the OGs are like that. it's not as exaggerated, you know, offset as it is. Let me actually go ahead and show you what the OGs look like. Alright, so I got a replacement box on this because I don't have the original box anymore. Got this also from an Instagram follower. Did a deal. I can link it for you guys as well. But here is the left shoe, and then the right shoe of the Unions. You can see how the Nike Air is off center. On the 99s and the 2012s, it's got a centered look on there. But on the OGs, that's how it was. And that's the vibe that Chris Gibbs of Union was trying to go with, you know, this collab. So if you guys were wondering, that's that. I don't know. What do you guys think? Is it the Guavas for you, or are you going for the Off Noir? Is it Off Noir, Off Noir, black? So that's the pair that I would like. So when these drop on sneakers, and it's gonna be a draw, I'm gonna go for those. So yeah, let me know what you guys' thoughts are on the Unions. Do you think that they're doing a good job with this collab type stuff? Do you like the overall look of it? Is it different? Is it something that you mess with? Is it something that you'll support? Let me know all your thoughts down in the comment section below. You guys know mine. So again, thank you for Ryan for sending these over to you know, show off to the family here, and appreciate you, man. They're going right back out, right back in the mail, and that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will talk to you guys later.